you must take 6 hours of math. Business majors must take either Math 111 or Math 121 plus Math 134, which is probability and statistics. When you came into the university, it's possible that maybe you weren't ready for Math 111 and certainly not Math 121. So you may have been placed into Math 105, you might have been placed into Math 110, you might have been placed into Math 120. If you take any of those 3 classes, Math 105, Math 110, or Math 120, those will count as a general elective. Remember those 15 hours of non-business classes that you have to take? Those 3 classes will count there. But we're just talking about the 6 hours of math that you have to do. So let's say if you start off in Math 105 and then you take Math 110, don't worry about it. That's 6 hours that we're going to put in your general electives, but now you still have to take Math 111. And then you're going to take Math 134. We need you to get these math classes done ASAP because Math 134 is a prerequisite to a core business class, and if you don't get those math classes done, you're going to reach a point where we can't actually get you into any business classes, and you may delay your graduation by at least a semester. So it is really critical if you are in any math class right now, you must, in the next semester, take the next math class. Now again, if you're a junior or a senior, you've completed your math requirement, this doesn't apply to you. If you're taking a self-paced math and you're going to carry it over, then you need to get that done. If you take 2 semesters or however long it's going to be to fulfill the Math 105 or Math 110, you're delaying your ability to move through the prerequisites so that we can get you into business classes. And I promise you, I've advised many students who did not follow this advice, and we got to the place where we really couldn't register them for any business classes. They were not eligible to take business classes. The problem now is with many of the changes in Title IV, that's federal financial aid. Many times your federal financial aid will not pay for classes that are not required by your major or your declared minor. And so now if you're just kind of taking classes so you can remain a student, but they're not required, your financial aid may not pay for that. So getting through these math classes is super, super important. So if you were a first semester freshman, you came in and you were taking, let's say, Math 105. The very next semester, you need to take Math 110. The very next semester, you take Math 111. The very next semester, you take Math 134. If you came in at a higher math, let's say you were placed into Math 200, you are permitted by the math department in this case to go back and take Math 134. Generally, that is not permissible. So you generally can't go backwards, but the math department does allow that for business majors. So if you took Math 200 starting, we still need you to have that probability and statistics class. So that is Math 134. And we recommend that you take that class. Now, if you have specific math questions that we haven't covered here, let me know. You can either ask them in the comments below this video, because truthfully, some of your questions may help other students as well, or you can get in touch with me and we can look at your specific situation.